Space is the place. Excitement is building. Space exploration is booming. It's a new era of discovery. Companies are pushing boundaries. New technologies are emerging. We're on the verge of incredible breakthroughs. The future of space travel is brighter than ever. From reusable rockets to deep space travel, the possibilities are endless. We're searching for life beyond Earth. We're building outposts on other planets. The cosmos is calling, and we're answering. This is a time of immense progress. It's a time of bold ambitions. It's a time for humanity to come together and explore the universe. Get ready for an incredible journey. SpaceX is leading the charge in private spaceflight, revolutionizing the way we think about space travel. They're developing Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry humans and cargo to distant planets. Starship will take humans to Mars and beyond, opening up new frontiers for exploration and settlement. But first, it has to pass rigorous testing to ensure it can withstand the harsh conditions of space. Recently, SpaceX conducted static fire tests of Starship's Raptor engines, a critical step in the development process. These tests are crucial for ensuring a safe and successful launch as they validate the performance of the engines. Each test brings SpaceX closer to their goal of interplanetary travel, marking incremental progress towards their ambitious vision. SpaceX is also preparing for the first orbital flight of Starship, a significant milestone in their journey. This mission, called Flight 9, will be a major milestone, demonstrating the capabilities of Starship in orbit. It will pave the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, expanding humanity's reach into the cosmos. The world is watching with bated breath. SpaceX's progress is inspiring people around the globe. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible, constantly innovating and overcoming challenges. Their work is accelerating humanity's journey to the stars, making the dream of interplanetary travel a reality. NASA, the world's premier space agency, may have a new leader. This potential change in leadership comes at a pivotal time for the agency, which is on the brink of several groundbreaking missions and technological advancements. Jared Isaacman, a billionaire entrepreneur and pilot, recently participated in a hearing. Isaacman, known for his business acumen and passion for aviation, has been making waves in the space community. This hearing was part of the selection process for the next NASA administrator. The selection process is rigorous, ensuring that only the most qualified and visionary candidates are considered for this critical role. Isaacman has a passion for space. His enthusiasm for space exploration is evident in his numerous ventures and investments in the aerospace sector. He commanded the Inspiration 4 mission, the first all-civilian spaceflight. This historic mission not only showcased his leadership skills, but also his commitment to making space accessible to all. His experience and vision could shape NASA's future. With his unique background, Isaacman brings a fresh perspective that could drive innovative approaches to space exploration. The new administrator will face many challenges. These challenges include managing complex missions, securing funding, and fostering international collaborations. These include returning humans to the Moon, a goal that has reignited public interest in lunar exploration, and the potential for establishing a sustainable human presence on the lunar surface. Advancing robotic exploration of Mars, which aims to uncover the mysteries of the Red Planet and pave the way for future human missions. And developing sustainable space technologies. These technologies are crucial for long-term space missions and ensuring the safety and well-being of astronauts. The stakes are high, but so are the rewards. Successful missions can lead to significant scientific discoveries and technological advancements. NASA's work inspires the world. The agency's achievements demonstrate the power of human ingenuity and the endless possibilities of space exploration. It pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and ingenuity. Every mission, every discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the universe. The next administrator will play a crucial role in shaping the future of space exploration. Their leadership will determine the direction of NASA's missions and the impact of its discoveries on the world. Section 4, Starliner. A bumpy ride to the stars. Boeing's Starliner spacecraft is designed to transport astronauts to and from the International Space Station. However, the program has faced several challenges. Technical issues have delayed its development. Despite these setbacks, Boeing remains committed to Starliner. They're working tirelessly to resolve the issues and ensure the spacecraft's safety. Their goal is to provide NASA with a reliable and safe transportation system. The development of spacecraft is incredibly complex. It requires overcoming numerous engineering hurdles. Boeing's perseverance in the face of these challenges is commendable. Starliner's journey to space may have been bumpy, but it highlights the dedication and innovation required to push the boundaries of human exploration. Section 5. SpinLaunch, flinging satellites into orbit. SpinLaunch is a company with a revolutionary idea, launching satellites into orbit using a giant centrifuge. This method, if successful, could significantly reduce the cost of space access. SpinLaunch recently announced plans to provide satellite broadband internet. This service would leverage their unique launch system to deploy constellations of small satellites. The goal is to provide global internet coverage. SpinLaunch's approach is bold and innovative. It has the potential to disrupt the traditional launch industry. If successful, it could open up new possibilities for space-based applications. The company's progress is being closely watched by the space community. Their success could usher in a new era of affordable and accessible space technology. Section 6. The Final Frontier, Dreams of Tomorrow. In this chapter, we explore the boundless possibilities that lie ahead in our quest to conquer the cosmos. Space exploration ignites our imagination, sparking a sense of wonder and curiosity about the universe. It fuels our dreams of reaching for the stars, pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. The possibilities are endless, from establishing permanent bases on the moon, where we can conduct groundbreaking research and develop new technologies, to sending humans to Mars, a monumental step that could redefine our understanding of life and survival on other planets. We're on the cusp of incredible discoveries, with each mission bringing us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is peering deep into the universe, revealing its secrets and offering glimpses of distant galaxies and star systems. New missions are being planned to study distant planets, aiming to understand their atmospheres, compositions, and potential for supporting life, and search for signs of life, whether it be microbial or more complex forms, expanding our knowledge of the cosmos. The future of space exploration is bright, with advancements in technology paving the way for new discoveries and innovations. It holds the promise of unlocking the mysteries of the universe, from the origins of galaxies to the nature of dark matter and energy, and expanding our understanding of our place in the cosmos, offering new perspectives on our existence. As we venture further into space, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of humanity, a collective aspiration to explore and discover. It's a journey that will inspire generations to come, igniting a passion for exploration and a desire to push the boundaries of human potential. Section 7. Space, the ultimate frontier, inspiring generations. Space exploration is more than just rockets and satellites. It's about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. It's about inspiring future generations to dream big. When we explore space, we learn more about ourselves. We discover new technologies that benefit humanity. We gain a deeper understanding of our planet and its place in the universe. Space exploration unites us. It transcends borders and cultures. It reminds us that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves. Let's continue to explore the cosmos. Let's continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Let's inspire future generations to reach for the stars.